Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be trying some color. I saw this beautiful color on Aaliyah J's channel. She did this gorgeous red hot invisible lace wig install, and I'm going to be doing a similar color, not quite that bold, but y'all, look at this 99J hair. I didn't necessarily want to do it with straight hair, so I went for a looser curl texture. This texture is the deep wave texture, and I got it in the light 99J. It also comes in a dark 99J, and that one is gorgeous as well, but I wanted something that when the sun hit, it would be like, Especially again to melanin, y'all, some color and dark skin just is so beautiful. So I'm going to try the unit on, and y'all know what I'm looking for first. I want to see if this lace front is going to cover my entire hairline. And to my surprise, y'all, it did. So I was so uber excited on the inside. And I love units like these that already come pre-colored, because you don't have to worry about doing watercolor. You don't have to worry about dyeing and doing all these extra lifting tasks and everything. It's just really easy. And I love that this hairline already came pre-plucked as well, and it looks really natural. You don't need to do any additional work. This is one of those ready to go, no work needed units, and I love that because it's very beginner friendly. Right now I'm going to show you all how I'm going to tint the lace so it matches my skin tone much better. And once again, I'm using the Wig Guru's lace tint, and I share with you guys that this is best used when you already have bleached knots. So I'm just doing that, and then after spraying it on, I am going to blow dry it for a bit just to make sure it's dry, and then I'm going to turn it over. And guys, I decided to actually condition the hair, and I'm using the Total Miracle, so I'm going to wash it with that only. And after doing so, this is what it looks like. Right now it's giving off the dark 99J color. This is the amount of shedding that I received, which was minimal, which is very awesome. And guys, one thing that I was so impressed by with this particular color is that it did not bleed. When I washed it, there wasn't any red color in the sink, and also when it was drying, and I actually had it on a white carpet, so I was really impressed that it didn't get any of the red on any of my carpeting. And y'all, that is rare. So after defining the curls, I did decide to actually diffuse it a bit, and then I just allowed it to air dry overnight. The next morning is what I'm going to actually do the install.
Lady, come in, let me tell you something. Lately, I've been wondering if you could be mine forever.
Before deciding to install this lace front, I decided to adjust the straps in the back just to make sure that it was more secure. So I'm just doing that currently, and then after doing that, I'm going to begin to put it on, ensure that everything is positioned properly. Then I'm going to cut the lace off, and after, I'm going to proceed to install it with Got2b glue gel. Y'all, this color is everything.
See, you was like, God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running. Let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up.
So now that I cut the lace off, you all can get a better sense of how phenomenal this hairline is. Like, look at that coverage, y'all. Y'all know this don't happen on a regular. I was so happy. So now I'm going to lay everything down, and it was so easy. The lace on this unit is really good quality, and it melts into the skin very naturally so that it looks like it grew out of your scalp.
Let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time. I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain. No matter the place, girl, you melt my heart like Pompeii.
As I'm laying the front hairline down, you all have probably noticed that I'm using the teeth of the comb in order to guide the hair and also to apply pressure to the front hairline so that it's nice and secure. That's a really good tactic in melting the lace and also ensuring that your unit is laid.
I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much, so I ain't tryna mess this up. No, 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 let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay, hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation.
So now that we've laid the front hairline down, I'm just going to shift the part. I felt like it was kind of off center, so I'm just centering it, and then I'm applying some mousse just to lay everything down. And then I'm going to apply a satin scarf in the front just to make sure everything is set.
You just need your vacation, yeah. We paint the picture while they be tracing, yeah. Landing in all type of nations. Can't get enough of your love, girl. You been so patient. We started off in the basement. Now we up out of space again. #1 is the place we in. It's a mill at the finish line. All my people gon' race to win. Lord have mercy on Polo, please. He got a case to win. Can't fold, never crease, don't bend. If you do, don't cry, we been now. So let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay, hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like.
While I'm setting the front hairline, I'm fluffing the hair. I don't know if I mentioned that this hair is 200% density. Y'all know I love big hair, and I am all for all of this. It's in length 18, and guys, it looks so gorgeous. I love this color. I love the texture. Everything about this unit is absolutely stunning. So right now, I'm just going into the parting, just making sure everything looks nice and seamless. And then I'm gonna do some styles for y'all, so you all stay tuned. Be sure to check the description box. All the links and specifications for this gorgeous hair will be down below. I cannot wait to hear your comments on this color. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also share this video with a friend. I look forward to your feedback. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Oh my, my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch sunrise. We just fine, we just fine. Let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay, hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, whatever you like. Oh my, my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch sunrise. We just fine, you just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. But you actually don't know me. It's just a drive, you know what I'm saying? Hey, oh, hey, that my fault. You got me off guard. Acting like you know me, dog. Oh, yeah, that's my beat. Telling me how I should do it. When you ain't me, guess you gon' see, yeah. Young boy out here chasing dreams, yeah. Everything that good ain't what it seems, yeah. Watch out now, watch out now. You tryna cramp my style. What you doing, cause you wild. Thinking you know more than half of it. I heard your stuff, not a fan of it. Gave you the ball, now you traveling. Stop telling me how I should handle it. Got the hands hot like some cannabis. Found me a Paula, then patented. She said she loved that I'm passionate. Showed her your stuff and she laughed at it. Took your opinion, I'm trashing it. I think it's best that I pass on it. Take this track and run it back again. Take this track and run it back again, yeah, hey.
Oh, girl, I wish you would make up your mind. I can tell by the look in your eyes. You're not happy with the man you're standing by.